Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you the best hardware wallets for 2025 and beyond. So what we're going to do is dive into the best cold storage wallets. And I want to talk about this because a lot of you are not utilizing cold storage. So I want to just take you by the hand and give you some different links to different wallets that you can use to protect your crypto. Okay. So right now, if we take a look at the market, we're going to refresh. We are Thursday, April 10th of 2025. And assuming that Bitcoin hits all-time highs towards summer, end of the year, you want to make sure that you do not lose your crypto along the way. Let's say that you have a big bag of XRP. Well, how do you best protect it? And the answer is to use a hardware wallet. So a lot of you are using an online exchange. So I have links for that. If you guys have money on Coinbase, Wealthsimple, Crypto.com, that is fine. But understand that they act more like a bank. If somebody hacks your account, they get your password, your crypto is vulnerable, okay? Now, what you want to do is pick up something like a Tangem, a Trezor, or a Ledger. Tangem is one of the cheapest, so we'll start here. Use code MOOSE. So in the videos, in every video, I have a link to this link tree. So click there. It's also on the channel. So under videos, check that out. And what this will do is allow you to set up a wallet where you own the seed phrase. And I have tutorials on this. So guys, go to the channel, put Tangem, put Trezor, Ledger. Right here I explain. Okay, so I also have unboxing, but I have wallet setup guides. So I did a new one. Should have a new one somewhere. Tangem Wallet. So sending. So if you guys want to know how to send to your Tangem, how to send to your cold storage, I have that as well. So right here, how to set up Tangem Wallet with seed phrase. So basically what you're going to be able to do is load up this card with crypto, and in order to sign transactions, you will physically have to have the device tap it, and it's also password protected, okay? So effectively, this is going to act as another layer of protection. So that's Tangem. By far my most used cold storage / hardware wallet. There's also the Trezors. I love the Trezors. Trezor Safe 5. I love it. Specifically, if you're using a desktop, you want to connect to different dApps. Whereas Tangem, you can do that with Wallet Connect. You're starting to see that feature go well as well. So here, let's click on Trezor Safe 5. A good option, a little more expensive. So if you don't want the Tangem ring, maybe pick up one of these. A phenomenal option, okay? Now, if you're a Ledger person, I like Ledgers. I own 3 or 4 different Ledgers. These are expensive. Let's get into the Nano S Plus. $120. Pick the color that you like. You're rocking and rolling. I kind of like the green. Emerald green. We're cooking right here. We're getting loose, okay? So with this, you can set up a brand new wallet and you can hold your crypto offline. That's the point of this, okay? So the one key, if you guys are nerdy like the Moose, this is a great option. $100. I like this. So it also works via Bluetooth. So if you want to use an app, definitely something like the One Key 1S or a Tangem Wallet. So this option with this is great for mobile. If you're using more of a desktop, go Trezor and Ledger. Okay. Ledger also has the Ledger X. That's a great option as well. On top of that, we have the KEEVO, ELLIPAL. ELLIPAL I like, a little bit more difficult to use. So ELLIPAL X card, we're going to have to do another review down the road as well. We have tons of things to go over, but those are going to be the ones I recommend. On top of that, guys, educate yourself and comment down below. What are your favorite hardware wallets? Is there one that you're using? Is there one that you haven't picked up yet? Please, please, please. If you guys are going to play with crypto, you have to use protection. Okay? We'll see you in the next one.